in effect for northern Warwick, southeastern Gibson, south central Pike and northeastern Vanderburg counties in southwest Indiana until 7 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Linville, or 9 miles north of Chandler, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Golf ball hail was just reported in Linville. Estimated 70 to 80 miles per hour winds has been produced out of this storm. A tornado, or tornado-like winds, is possible, so take cover. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Gibson, Pike, Vanderburg, and Warwick.